Hey everyone, welcome to NutriTrack, which is a balanced meal and meal planning software powered by generative AI. So we click on get started and it prompts us to log in with Google. I'm going to log in with my account. So on the first page, it shows us the key features of NutriTrack. We can click on get started and it shows us the user information. Since I already have an account which I was using for testing, it shows my details, but in your case you might have to add the details using update details button. So for me, just to show you a few other features, I'm going to increase my weight deliberately to say 300 lbs, and going ahead, I'll change my goal to weight loss and I'll increase my daily calorie intake to 3000. This is something that I am doing right now. So I'm submitting it and it shows me a BMI alert that my BMI is classified as obese, and it shows that I can go to the calorie tracker page. So I will go to the calorie tracker page. Now, calorie tracker page has multiple features in it. It shows me my daily meal summary. It shows me my calorie spike graph based on each meal. It shows me my weekly calorie intake. So I've been testing this website from 3 days. So it shows the data of 3 days. And it also shows me the calorie breakdown. So right now I've consumed more than the daily breakdown that I should have, which was I think less than 3000. So it shows 100% calorie consumed. And based on my BMI and my profile, it also shows me a health recommendation. It asks me to do these particular exercises. It shows that my calorie goal is set to 3000, which is a higher on a higher range. It shows me lifestyle changes, portion controls, and the type of nutrients I need, type of supplements I need, etc. So if I want to do another meal, I can go here and I have a photo of burritos. I can add that, and shows, yeah, burrito 700 calories. I can add it to my daily meal and it will show up in the spike graph. Add in the weekly calorie intake, and my daily calorie intake are already at 100%. Moreover, we have a meal plan option where it shows me the meal that I should get based on my profile along with the calorie values that they have. For this meal, I can also generate a grocery list which I can take a screenshot of or print when I go to grocery. Again, this grocery is based on my budget and my frequency of shopping. Finally, they have a chat feature which is powered by GPT-4o, where I can ask multiple questions. So in this case, how to reduce weight. This question can be anything regarding recipes, grocery, meal planning, about BMI, about my profile. Anything works, and this gives me customized answer in multiple languages. So here's the same answer in French. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.